credit card. Really nice car. Hello guys, welcome to the Súper Dubai YouTube channel. Just can have a look. This Mercedes classic car, one of the best classic car in Dubai. Also, same Mercedes brand from Germany. Nice red color. Number 3 also have a nice look, some classic look. This one in blue. Yeah, you can have a look. This one Ferrari, red color, nice red color. Ferrari. Nice car, by the way. It's a nice black Ferrari. It's a kind of classic car with a nice exhaust system installed. You can see on the back. Classic car. So now, prominent of them all, F1 racing car. This is Formula 1 racing car. Has been used in the racing championships. Most of you people might be aware of it. Very nice look. Very nice car. It's absolutely stunning. This one is Ford. It's an American brand. Yes, really nice car as well. Antique car. Just put in the showroom just to have a nice classic look. Now number next is Alfa Romeo. Yeah, the red color. It's really nice red color. Alfa Romeo. It's having a nice look. This is Ferrari. like this one. It's with convertible roof. The roof has been converted and has been temporarily removed. It's a really nice car. It's Alfa Romeo, in fact. Excellent car. Cars one by one. As you can see, the headlights have been temporarily gone back.